बुझ जाते हैं कई दिए तेल की कमी से, बुझ जाते हैं कई दिए तेल की कमी से। हर बार हवा का कसूर नहीं होता, हर बार हवा का कसूर नहीं होता। Starting with the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent, who is creator of you, me and whole universe. Respectable sir and all my friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am in front of you. I have opportunity on this topic, namely career or love. My dear friends, first of all I would tell you the meaning, what is career and what is the love. My dear friends, career means having future. Love means interest. Now how we can consider that love is good or career? Which side we have to choose? In my opinion, according to me, love is everything. Love, interest is everything. You know that whenever we start any job, any work, if we have love, we have interest, we will grow on that way. We will grow, our progress will be increased. If we have no interest, we are not in love, definitely there will be no any increasing, no name of any increasing. Career, future also depends on love. If you have future, means you have love. If you have not love, means you have no future. Who are the landlords? They have love, for that they have love in according to their ways, means love money, love of personality, for that they are in higher future. As a teacher, if there is a teacher, if he has love with study, with teaching, then his future will be bright and he would be called the career, means his future, he have his future. If there is another person who has career, who is in a higher stage, means he is satisfied on that stage and he loves that stage, for that he has a good future. You know that in Sindhi, our singer who had died, Jalal Chandio, he said that koi haal mast, koi maal mast, koi चाल मस्त सब इश्का. That is the meaning of love. Means we have love, we are everything. Career is in the love. We have no love, means we have no future. Now how we can get the future? How we will be increased in the future? If we are a student, as a student we have to do love with our study. As a student we have to do love with study. Whenever we will be sincere with our study, we will do love, our study will be increased. When we will get the job, if we are sincere, if we have love, we are interested in our job, that job will get the higher stage. We will, from peon we will be the doctor, from peon we can be the officer, from peon we can be the lecturer. What is that? That is the love. If we have future, means I am professor and I have no love. Bit by bit my mistakes will be increased, and government, society, people, they will decide that he is not able for this job. I will be dismissed from that destination. Because of that I have no love. When I have love, in my job, that stage will be increased. From lecturer I will be in higher stage. As a judge I can be. That is the love. And according to basic level, according to study level, we have love. We have to love with our study. After that, when we are successful, we are getting job. On that stage we have to do love with our job, sincerity with the job. When we do the sincerity with the job, our we will be increased. We will get another stage, and we will be successful. Career will be in our hand. So these were my some points which were shared by in front of you.